blockchain technology. It has been recently in the news and is one of the emerging technologies. So we will see what is blockchain technology. Blockchain is a distributed or decentralized ledger technology. So here we see it is a kind of ledger technology, and then another important point is it is a distributed or decentralized technology. So we know that ledger is basically a record of any transactions that you make. For example, a bank will have ledgers. That is, if you withdraw money or if you deposit money or if you transfer money, it will be entered in a ledger. In the earlier times, banks used to have ledgers, that is, they used to write manually. Now they have everything on computers. We all have heard of bank servers that will record our transactions. So if we see here, when you have gone to a bank and you have made a transaction or made any change to your account, it will be sent to the bank server. You have gone to a branch, but still if you have made a transaction, it will be sent to a central server. That is, it is not at the periphery. That is, even if you make a transaction in your app, in your mobile phone, it will be sent to a central server. From there, the transaction will be processed and the needful will be done. For example, if you have sent money to someone, this bank server, central bank server, will note down the transaction. That is, it will enter the transaction into its ledger and then send the money to the receiver. So this is a ledger technology which is currently in use. That is a centralized ledger technology. But whereas if we see, blockchain is distributed or decentralized ledger technology. What does this mean? So in blockchain, instead of having a central server, we will have a distributed or decentralized servers or decentralized record of your transactions. So this is currently used in cryptocurrencies all over the world. Cryptocurrency is another emerging technology about which we will learn in further lectures. For today, if for example, cryptocurrency is being transacted. So if you transfer cryptocurrency to someone, the record of this transaction will not be stored in a central server. Instead, the record of this transaction will be stored with different accounts or with different people in the same network. So the record of your transaction is not in a central server, but the record is distributed or decentralized. So this is how blockchain technology is used. So after having seen what is blockchain technology, the basics of it, we will see where it is used. This technology supports cryptocurrencies, as we have already seen, such as the Bitcoin. And then it is also used in the transfer of any data or digital asset. So this also we are hearing in news, for example, NFTs, non-fungible tokens. It is also an emerging technology and it is a digital asset. We will read about NFTs in further lectures, but today we should understand that blockchain technology can also be used in the transfer or transactions of NFTs. Not only NFTs, but any digital currency can also use blockchain technology because it brings in certain advantages with it. And in the same way, blockchain technology can be used for transfer of any kind of data over the internet. So these are some places, these are some of the applications where blockchain technology can be used. So recently, Government of India has come up with a national strategy on blockchain because it is one of the emerging technologies and has a lot of potential applications. For the examination, we need to know what is this national strategy on blockchain and which ministry has formulated it? So it is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology.